Everybody, 61 degrees right now. We are picking up fog downtown. It took a while. We're getting it from Long Beach down to the south today. So a nice cooler day at the beaches today. Even the basin will start to back things off ever so slightly. The valleys will still stay hot though. So take care of your dogs, take care of your pets, make sure they're certainly cool. 55 in the deserts, the mountains, 37 in the valleys right now. 64, quick heads up if you're traveling. Still a little bit of an inbound delay if you're picking somebody up. They're still doing this work on the runways at LAX. So there's about a 15-minute inbound delay if you're meeting somebody there. And we're starting to pick up delays from Newark to Philadelphia over an hour right now. If you're flying out, those are all weather related delays. Newark and Philly, those have just gone into effect over the last 45 minutes or so. Earlier in the morning, they were doing pretty good. So high pressure's with us. There it is. It's going to start to crash off a little bit. It'll take about Wednesday, but we will bring cooler temperatures for us today along the beach areas. That fog, cooler coast, still warm inland, and then everybody will start to drop down. Beginning on Wednesday more so, we'll see a noticeable drop. Thursday into Friday as well. You can see the temperatures will come down, including the valleys will swing down a good 20 to 21 degrees by the time we get Thursday into Friday. And then over the weekend, a little ridge will start to nudge back in and build us back up, but it won't be anything excessive. For the Inland Empire, 93, 94 tomorrow. Some of the warmer spots around 95-ish or so. High deserts, 96 to 98 by tomorrow. Then we start to back off for the mountains, 77, 80 on Tuesday, and 75 on Wednesday.